Hi there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to find the best hotel deals on Expedia. So for this, let's move to our mobile screen and locate the Expedia app and click on it to open. Okay, so now here simply click on Enable Location Access. Once you do it, now we have this interface. You need to simply click on Stays, which is on the top left side. As you click on Stays, now here you need to choose a location. So simply add any location here, then add a dates when you want to stay there. Then you can add a days, how many days you will stay, and then click on done. Next, you can choose travelers, how many travelers you are. Once you select these options here, then click on done. And next, click on search. Once you click on search, you will find the hotels if they are available on these dates. Okay, so I change the location. If I click on search here, so as you can see, we have this option. It will take few seconds while loading. So you just need to wait for a while. Okay, so now here, as you can see, we have these hotels available on these dates. So you can simply tap on the hotel that you want to book. Again, it will take few seconds here and then scroll down, and from here you can select your room, which room you want, and then simply just add your payment method and complete your bookings. So this is how you can find hotels in Expedia. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.